हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, जो कि आपके एग्जामिनेशन और अदर एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण होने वाले हैं, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन या अदर एग्जामिनेशंस। तो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 ऑनवर्ड से, दैट इज़ क्वेश्चन नंबर 37। क्वेश्चन 37 कह रहा है कि जो हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेड लाइन है बिलो द एनर्जी लाइन बाय एन अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू डैश एट दैट सेक्शन। द राइट आंसर इज दैट 37 का राइट आंसर इज दैट velocity head. The right answer is velocity head. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 आपको बताना है। 38 कह रहा है कि अ फ्लो इन विच द फ्लूइड पार्टिकल्स मूव अलॉन्ग स्ट्रेट पैरेलल पाथ इन लेयर्स। क्या होगा राइट आंसर इसका? व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर इज दैट laminar flow. Is that laminar flow? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 की तरफ हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन 39 कह रहा है कि द डैश velocity of a particle interest in the velocity below which all the turbulence is damped out by the viscosity of the liquid, viscosity of the fluid. The right answer is that critical velocity. यानी कौन सी velocity होगी? वो critical velocity होगी. Which velocity is critical velocity? The critical velocity of a particle interest is the velocity. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 कह रहा है कि जो द अपर लिमिट है ऑफ अ लेमिनार फ्लो ऑफ पार्टिकल इंटरेस्ट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर ऑफ अबाउट डैश। द राइट आंसर इज दैट is 2000 is 2000. Next question, question number 41. The ratio of the cross sectional area to the wetted perimeter for a non-circular cross sections. What is the right answer is hydraulic radius. क्या होगा right answer is hydraulic radius. The next question, क्वेश्चन नंबर 42। क्वेश्चन 42 की तरफ पढ़ते हैं। तो 42 कह रहा है कि अ फ्लो इन विच द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द फ्लूइड मूव इन अ हैप्पैज़ार्ड फैशन इन ऑल डायरेक्शन। द राइट आंसर इज 42 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा आपका टर्बुलेंट फ्लो। कौन सा फ्लो? टर्बुलेंट फ्लो। टर्बुलेंट फ्लो। The next question, question number 43. Velocity distribution at a cross section of a variation of for laminar flow. Velocity distribution at a cross section of variation for laminar flow. What is the right answer is that parabolic law. क्या होगा right answer is the parabolic law. The next question, question number 44. 44 क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि इन अ लैमिनार फ्लो द मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी एट द सेंटर ऑफ पाइप इज डैश द एवरेज वेलोसिटी। इज राइट आंसर इज दैट ट्वाइस द एवरेज वेलोसिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 45। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 इज दैट यूज टू मेजर द वेलोसिटी हेड ऑफ फ्लोइंग फ्लूइड। यूज टू मेजर द वेलोसिटी head of flowing fluid. The right answer is that pitot tube. Pitot tube is the right answer. Next question, question number 46. Question number 46 is that the ratio of area of jet at the vena contracta and the area of orifice. The right answer is that is coefficient of contraction. Coefficient of contraction is the right answer. Next question, question number 47. 47 it says that the product of coefficient of velocity and the coefficient of contraction. What is the right answer is that coefficient of discharge. Coefficient of discharge. Next question, question number 48 is that the ratio of loss of kinetic energy in the orifice and the actual kinetic energy. The right answer is that 48 का right answer हो जाएगा coefficient of resistance. The next question, question number 49 is that question 49 कह रहा है कि if the v1 and v2 are be the velocity at inlet and outlet, then loss of head due to the sudden enlargement is proportional to. What is the right answer is that, इसका right answer हो जाएगा, the right answer is that v1 minus v2 का whole square. The next question, question number 50. Question number 50 is that loss of head due to sudden contraction is proportional to, is that v2 का whole square. Question number 51 is coefficient of discharge. Question number 51 is that coefficient of discharge is unity in case of dash mouthpiece. The right answer is that is convergent divergent, is the convergent and divergent. Next question, question number 52, coefficient of contraction of for an internal mouthpiece is, coefficient of contraction for an internal mouthpiece is, the right answer is that 0.5. Right answer is 0.5. The next question is question number 53, a sharp edge obstruction over which flow of a fluid take place. Question number 53 is that notch, notch is the notch. Next question, question number 54 is that is the sheet. Next question, question number 53 is that a sharp edge obstruction over which flow of a fluid take place. The right answer is that 53 का right answer हो जाएगा is notch, notch is the notch. Question number 54 is that the sheet of water which flew over the notch or weir. 54 का राइट आंसर है नेप या वेन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 55, द फ्लो ओवर रेक्टेंगुलर नॉच की जब बात कर रहा है तो h की पावर हो जाएगा 3/2. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्लो ओवर अ ट्राइंगुलर नॉच, रेक्टेंगुलर के बाद ट्राइंगुलर नॉच की बात करेंगे तो h की पावर 5/2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number 57, a trapezoidal notch having side slope of 1 horizontal to a 4 vertical. The right answer is that is right answer is the CIPPOLETTI notch. question number 57 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा Cipolleti notch. Next question, question number 58 is that the ratio of head loss due to the friction and total length of the pipe. The right answer is that is hydraulic gradient. Next question, question 59, a pipe of uniform diameter which replace the compound pipe consisting of several pipes at different diameters and length. The right answer is that equivalent pipe. Next question, question number 60, the transmission of power through pipe is maximum when loss of head due to the friction in is dash the total head supplied at the entrance of the pipe. The right answer is 1/3. Next question, question number 61. For according to the Farado, the frictional resistance in pipe is proportional to. Right answer is V square. Next question, question number 63 is that a flow measuring device in which indication is essentially linear with flow rate. The right answer is that question 62 का right answer था कि flow in pipe will turbulent when Reynolds number is greater than 4,200. And question 63, a flow of measuring device in which identical is essentially linear with flow rate. The right answer is that here 63 का right answer हो जाएगा rotometer. The next question, question number 64 is that a flow in which the velocity, if that is the depth of flow, varies from one section and another is that right answer is that is non-uniform flow. Non-uniform flow. Question number 65 is that in case of rectangular open channel, the width of the channel should be dash the depth for maximum discharge. The right answer is that is twice. Right answer is that twice. Next question. Question number 66. For maximum efficiency, the trapezoidal section of for an open channel should from a. The right answer is half hexagonal. Is the half hexagonal. Next question. Question number 67. For maximum. Question number 67 is that for maximum discharge in circular shape open channel, depth should be equal to the dash diameter of the pipe. Is the right answer is the 0.95. The last question, question 68, that the depth of flow for the given discharge in a channel corresponding to minimum specific energy. The right answer is that critical path. See all the right answer. You have must check out and watch repeated, so you have learned all the questions from question number 1 to 67 we discuss and match right answers with your answers. Thanks for watching and sharing.